everybody, and right now we are going to be riding horses through a small forest in Manavgat, Turkey. While we are waiting for the horses to get ready, we'll be looking at some of the animals in their farm. Finally, we were able to get on our horses and leave into the forest. After a while, we decide to stretch our legs and let the horses take a break. After the break, we decide to head back to the ranch and rest. After we rode the horses, we decided to go to two caves, each called Heaven and Hell. This cave you're seeing right now is called the Hell Cave. This next cave, as you can see over here, is called the Heaven Cave. Also, the Heaven Cave has a special gas inside it that is known to heal asthma. Before we went to the Heaven and Hell Cave, we also went to the Damlatis Cave. This cave also can heal asthma. Although not as large as the Heaven Cave, the Damlatis Cave has also many cool features. It has many stalagmites and stalagmites pointing up and down from the ceiling and floor. After the caves, we decide to go to Side and enjoy some of its wonderful food. My mom loves to go to the market to get fresh produce from the local farmers. found this sunflower seed roaster. We bought some sunflower seeds, and they're one of the best sunflower seeds we ever had because they're fresh from the roaster. For dinner, we went to this restaurant and had some tantuni. It's a famous Turkish delicacy from the city of Mersin. Tantuni is mostly served with bread, but sometimes you can ask for a wrap called durum, which in English means wrapped. If you haven't watched our previous Turkish videos, this tea Zara is drinking is called chai. It has been our favorite drink in Turkey. The next day, we went to this restaurant for lunch. They were kind enough to let us see how they cook their food. It was a wonderful display. The thing I like a lot that they do with their bread is that they cook it over their meat, which gives it a nice flavorful taste.